This is our AutoTrusted review platform. You can now take back control of your online reviews from real customers. This top section represents the overview of all your AutoTrusted reviews. You can see here what your current rating is and how they are broken out into high, medium, and low reviews. The Source Traffic Review section will display which platform of point of conversion the customer has left your review. This chart will show you the total amount of reviews your dealership has received. This bottom section is where you can view your most recent reviews. The Reviews section is where you will manage all your dealership reviews. The first column is the name of the customer that has left a review. The Invited column will show you an avatar of which team member has invited the customer to review you. If there is an avatar under the Who column, that means it is a personal review about one of your team members. The rating will show you the star rating the customer has left for you. You will not be able to read or view the post until you have chosen to approve or decline the review. Once you have approved a review, it will unlock the option to reply to your customer. Simply click in and you can type your response right here. We have provided you the option to delete up to 2 reviews. You can do this by clicking the Remove Review button located at the bottom. This is the section where you can update your company information, manage your review page, and your contact info. In the Company Info section, input your website address and select the category associated with your business. In Contact Info, update or change your email, phone number, address, and your bio or dealership description at any time. The Advanced Setting page allows you to add any links that you'd like and choose which information you'd like to display to the public by clicking these toggles. When they are blue, it says the associated info is live and public on your AutoTrusted profile.